Hi, welcome to Amanda Anything Goes. Today I wanted to share with you a tradition that I do with my three boys. Even though they are 11, 13, and 15, they still love hunting for the glow eggs, and we do this the Saturday night before Easter. So you just buy, I just bought one bag of 18 eggs, and I bought enough of the tea lights. Some of the tea lights, they had changed colors. So I thought that would be cool because all the other years has always been the same color. And then I also bought a bag of 3 carrots because I thought that might be cool. So I'm just showing you where I hid some of them, and it's kind of hard to see what they're in, but that carrot is behind something that's on my craft table. I think that's in a teacup. I'm not sure where that one's from or where it's at. That one's behind a bunny ear. And then you can actually see it changing the colors. And now you get to see the egg hunt in action.
Guys, I have found one! I found the golden egg! Are you kidding? I found the golden egg! You look so bad! He took my golden egg!
Hey, this is going on YouTube, so...
He took my egg! My golden egg! No! Hey! He's taking my golden egg!
Aaron,
Hey!
let go of his golden egg.
No! No! No!
Jacob's finding all these other ones.
Wait, why is oh no, Jacob found all of them! Hey,
Yeah.
Hey, no light, no light. Wait, what?
I'm recording.
I need to go.
Count what you've got.
Aaron's. Oh, there's one carrot with no.
I have 10.
That carrot was on. It was just.
What? You got 10!
I have 10.
Hey! Hey, that's mine! Hey!
Aaron, I'm recording this.
Whoa.
Stop.
Hey! Only 10.
Okay, count your eggs.
I got
1,
10.
2, 3, 4. I have 4 regular, one golden egg, and I mean 1 golden carrot, and I got the golden egg.
Do you have
First
a
egg.
carrot?
Yeah, I have
How many eggs in total?
I have 2
19.
carrots and I have 7. I got 6 eggs. Wait.
19 plus 3 plus
Oh,
1.
Jacob got 2 carrots. I got this though. Yeah, you don't have this, Aaron. Just try 23, Mom.
Okay,
Wait.
so
No,
does.
I'm not saying that's what I have. I'm saying that's the total. Oh, I got 6 eggs.
So did we get all of them?
I have 10.
Aaron, did
How
you get
many
any
do
of
you
these? Count yours.
I have 10.
I'm finna do mine last. Right. I got 6.
Okay,
Six.
16.
Yeah, where I have 6. Yeah, I have 5 and then golden egg.
Okay, so Aaron, what do you have?
I have 6, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this last egg real quick. What?
12.
So now all the eggs have been found.
Oh.
Hey, but look at what I got. I'm famous. You see this egg? Yeah, y'all don't have this, Aaron. Yeah, well, I got
You
the
want
No.
this is you're gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah, well, I just smacked his head. I found the egg. He did it. Yeah, I had the egg.
Here you go, Mom.
Okay.
Nobody can take it from me. I'm better than this.
Thank you.
I got the amazing count of 7.
So where did you find that extra egg?
Right over there. Alright, do we put all the eggs in there? Do I put all the eggs in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Golden egg. Wait, is that...
So I have to tell you, of course, with boys, they're very rowdy. And also the 2 buckets the younger boys used, they made those in kindergarten. So they're very special to us. They had a great kindergarten teacher that always collected paint cans and always had the kids make those buckets for Easter. I hope you enjoyed this. Hit like if you did, and I would love for you to join my YouTube channel on this journey.